Hello everyone. Let us have an overview of TCP IP reference model. If compared to OSI model, the OSI model contains 7 layers while TCP IP contains only 4 layers. TCP IP model was developed by Defense Advanced Research Project Agency, that is DARPA, prior to OSI model, and its aim is to establish connection between remote machines. Now, let's have an overview of functions of the layers. On the top, we have the application layer. It is responsible for node-to-node communication and controls user interface specifications. It uses protocols like SMTP, FTP, HTTP, HTTPS, and so on. Below the application layer, we have the transport layer. It is responsible for end-to-end communication and error-free delivery of data. Two main protocols present in this layer are TCP and UDP. The next one is the internet layer. It uses IP protocol for delivering packets from source to destination. When packet is sent from source, the path to destination is decided by this layer by avoiding congestion in network and providing route. It also uses ICMP protocol which provides information regarding network problems. The last one at the bottom, we have the network layer. It is responsible for interconnecting nodes in local system or machine. It will look for hardware addressing and protocols in this layer will allow physical transmission of data. Moving on to the next slide, that is TCP handshake or three-way handshake. Now, as we have already know that TCP IP protocol is responsible for communication between two hosts, the method used to create communication between two hosts is known as three-way handshake or TCP handshake. Let us see how it works. When source host wants to establish connection between destination host, it will send synchronization data package using IP protocol to the destination. By this, TCP will ask port on the destination host whether it is open for new connection or not. If the destination port is open for the connection, then it will send back the synchronization packet with the acknowledgement package to the source. When the source will receive that synchronization packet with the acknowledgement package from the destination, it will again send back the acknowledgement packet to the destination and establish the successful connection for the communication. So, in this way, TCP IP protocol creates connection between two hosts. These were the basic concepts you should be knowing. This will help you to get clear idea about what will be happening in the background when executing commands in Nmap.